You gotta start your grandkids off early vacuuming. Logan's a year. He's 15 months old.
Vacuum.
His mama's teaching him how to vacuum.
What?
Gotta start him off early. Yes, vacuuming is fun, isn't it? Papa's teaching you how to vacuum. Look, Mama's teaching you. Yeah. Good job. That's a good job. Let's get this thing going here. Okay.
Hey, you gotta move it.
Running right now. Is that Papa? Yeah, Papa's gonna teach him how to. Oh, you gotta turn around the other way. You're taking yourself, man. Look at that boy helping his Papa. Vacuuming is fun. You gotta get under the chairs. Yeah, gotta get under the chairs.
He's working hard.
Yeah, come on. Let's keep doing it.
Keep vacuuming. Logan, are you working? Watching a little TV. All right, he'd rather watch TV.